last and important trigonometry question, that is the question is sin theta plus cosecant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta the whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. In this question, when we will glance it once, you can see that the first term, that is the sin theta and cosecant theta, what we have, and the whole square we have, that is the first term because the whole square have. Second term over here is cos theta plus secant theta the whole square. The two terms over here having the square on it. And the right hand side, if you glance, there are three terms: 7 tan square theta and cot square theta. So here one thing you have to remember, what we are doing all previously, that sin theta we are keeping as it is, the cosecant theta we are converting in terms of sine and cos, and here secant theta also converting in terms of sine and cos. That method is easy to solve some such a problem. But coming to this problem, if you will do that cosecant theta in terms of sine, and if you solve, it will be a lengthier than the simple method. So how to solve this? So we will go through this now. So left hand side, the most importantly we have to write the left hand side. So left hand side is equals to sine theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. So that is the first, and second term is over here cos theta plus secant theta the whole square. These are the two things they have given. So we have to continue now. To further continuation, I have told don't change this cosecant theta in terms of sin theta. So directly we will use the a plus b the whole square formula. What is a plus b the whole square formula? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is the formula that we will apply on this. So a position we have sin theta. So a plus b the whole square formula. So a we have sin theta. So sin square theta plus cosecant square theta, that is b square, plus 2 times a into b. A means sin theta, and into b is nothing but cosecant theta. This is the thing. Similarly, this is the half part, okay, that I will write in a bracket. Second half part is over here. The same thing we have to do over here. So here also a plus b the whole square formula, a plus b the whole square formula. So it is nothing but cosecant square theta a square now, plus secant square theta, that is b square, plus 2 times cos theta into secant theta. So this is our final thing. So now what you have to do the next? Here we have sin square theta, and here we have cos square theta. Because here you have plus, we don't have into, so plus we can directly group it. So we will group this sin square theta, I will write down first, then I will bring this cos square theta and I will write down here plus cos square theta, because it is a plus over here. So plus into plus is plus only. So next one, again second group, what we will do, this cosecant square theta we have, and here we have secant square theta, that we can write one sided. So that I will write down, that is plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta, I have written secondly. Third left is the again 2. So here we have 2 times sin theta into cosecant theta. See, this is a sin theta into cosecant theta. What I will do over here, now I will change that cosecant in terms of sine. So cosecant in terms of sine, what it is? Cosecant theta in terms of sine, it is nothing but 1 by what? Sin theta. Yes? Here instead of cosecant theta, I will write down 1 by sin theta. So this one I have changed it. Similarly, plus 2 times cos theta I have written as it is. What is that secant theta in terms of cos? Secant theta in terms of cos is nothing but, so I will write down here secant theta in terms of cos, that is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So here I will write, instead of secant I will write 1 by cos theta. So if you will see clearly, this sin theta is this sin theta get cancelled, cos theta get cancelled. Here we have 2, here we have 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So now maximum we have already half of the part. So sin square theta plus cos square theta trigonometric function, that is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Next one, cosecant square theta we have, that we have to convert. See the right hand side, we have to write in terms of tan and cot. 7 plus tan square plus cot square theta. So here we have to convert this cosecant theta in terms of tan or cot, because we need in tan and cot. So how to convert this cosecant theta in terms of tan or cot? So we have one identity, that is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta is equals to what? That is cosecant square theta, identity 3. So cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. So here I can write down, instead of cosecant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. So this is the thing. Next again we have secant square theta. Secant square theta can be written as, what is secant square theta? Identity 2, 1 plus tan square theta. So here again we can write down, instead of secant square theta, I can write down 1 plus tan square theta. This is the two thing we have to remember next. So what is the next part? The next part is very again not so tough. It is again a easy part. So what we have to do over here? Next we have here 2 ones are 2, and again we have 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 we have here, you have 2. So next we have to simplify, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we got the first part, that is 7 we got. So next one we have to want the tan square. So here you can see tan square we have, so plus tan square theta. Next we need cot square theta. So here we have cot square theta is plus cot square theta. So when you will see the left hand side, it is similar to what? Right hand side. So we found our answer. So we have proved that sine theta plus cosecant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta the whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So it is again a simple part. But here what we have to do? We have to remember the basic, the identities of trigonometry and algebra also we must remember, and some other identities also we have to remember. If you know the basic of trigonometry, the functions, about the function, you can get that answer very easily. That is 3 to 4 marks you can score very easily. When a question is given, think whether they have given the numerator, denominator, then we have to simplify as per the question. If the denominator is not given, so we have to rationalize in the denominator, but in this question we have not supposed to use the rationalizing factor, because denominator only we don't have. So this is all about important trigonometric question. This is all about today's video. Please support my channel, that is PSM Perfect Solution for Maths. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.